Tensions are soaring between Russia and France after French Navy seized the Russian tanker Boracay in international waters. Well, Moscow immediately called for the move. They said that it is piracy, and in fact, their president, Mr. Vladimir Putin, issued a chilling warning to his naval forces. Let me quote what he said: "Destroy them if they touch our ships." Well, the dramatic order signals just how serious Russia is about taking the incident and hints at possible retaliation at the sea. In the meantime, French authorities say that the seizure was legal and in line with European Union sanctions on Russia, but here Russian insiders and their media too, they are framing it as a direct attack on Russia's sovereignty and their power. Well, for Moscow, this is not just about one ship. It's about sending a message that anybody who interferes with Russian maritime operation will have consequences. In fact, experts warn that the entire situation is extremely dangerous. With both sides armed and tensions really high right now, even a small mistake at the sea could trigger a major confrontation, potentially drawing other nations into a wider conflict. In fact, analysts also pointed out that this incident comes at a time when Russia is already under heavy international scrutiny over its global military activities, making the stakes even higher. For the rest of the world, well, for them, this is more than just a naval dispute. It's a high-stakes drama at the sea, where power, pride, and national security collide. Every moment of the Russian Navy, every French patrol, and every single statement from the leaders is now being watched closely. Putin's fierce reaction shows that Moscow is all ready to defend its ships, and that too at any cost. And the international community is holding its breath just to see what happens next.